Hey guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're listening to me. Thank you so much. So today is day 6 of our 100-day challenge. Yeah, we are rolling it out, going strong. Thank you for listening to me and for all your support. Really blessed to be part of such community. So I think today I would choose. I was just saying, me and my wife today we went to the market. We bought a lot of things for the house, and right now she's putting the plants in the garden, and that's what she was saying, that she might develop the habit of gardening. So I said, yes, that's amazing. I really like that. So that's where I thought this would be a good idea, good topic to discuss. We everyone is born with a hidden talent. God or our universe has given every person a unique talent. The importance is to polish that talent and to gauge that talent. Even if you see the diamond, if you see when the miners take out the diamond, it's in a very raw form, but they keep on polishing to make it the best diamond. That's where I think everyone has that talent with them. It's the importance is how we explore that talent, how we polish that talent, and make it more polished, or more, I think, yes, more polished is the right word. But the good thing is that we should always feel, yes, that the we need to explore that talent, and then and keep on loving and keep on working for that talent, keep on polishing that talent, make it more stronger, make it more better day by day, whatever, and work along the lines towards that. And if you see all these big athletes, uh, they don't give up. They keep on trying hard and hard and hard and hard, and that's where they reach. Whenever they reach at the peak of it, because they have seen that if they give up, they won't come to all the successful people or the successful athletes. They I have seen throughout my life, there are so many, like Michael Jordan, Sachin Tendulkar, and there are so many other people, and across all the sports, who keep on doing that. They cross their limits, they cross their boundaries. I think there is no boundaries or limits. It's just in our thoughts that we have defined these boundaries and thoughts. But if we overcome this limiting beliefs, and we reach out to our potential, or we reach out to our dreams, or we keep on expanding our horizon, and work towards our goal, and work towards our skill, and work towards our hobbies, man, nothing is going to stop you. And I think if you look at my previous videos, I have been saying that every universe has everything for everybody. It's abundance. Like, abundance is my birthright, and it's so true. There is no boundaries. God has given us everything in his abundance. Only it's our own thoughts which we define the boundaries, that we can't do it. And that's where, if you overcome these boundaries and reach on the other side, man, the life is so beautiful, the life is amazing. And that's where I think I thought this just came randomly while talking to you on this video. I thought this would be a good topic. Let's explore our hobbies, and let's work towards our hobbies. Even if you don't have anything, go out, play with the people out there, play some sports, do some workout, talk to another people. You never know. Sometimes, like, the owner of Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, he got that idea in the age of 65. Just imagine, when people are going to retire, he got that business idea, and today KFC is such a huge business model. So it all depends upon when that thing clicks, and then you just have a different meaning of the life, and then you just work towards that meaning. So the importance is to find that single piece of connecting big picture, and then just making the big picture come by its own. So on that note, guys, I think this I really enjoyed talking to you again, and thank you so much again for listening to me and giving me all the support. Still, we have got a long journey. I'll keep on sharing with my thoughts, with my beliefs, with my inspiring journey, with my inspiring stories. And thank you so much again, and looking for more support, and let's make this a kind of a big success. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day and a wonderful day. Thanks a lot.